Kajingsiat bom leer pinsat selang kemant ni ke tear gas pathar jangki pulit hakan riterik risau ye kino hikai bat iki kenarit kelakring ye ki kemat jangki seng ki bayeng banya dai ke hok ki kenarit katkum ki khobor ki bala priang hakan ni ke sengi laong badan ki kenarit ki belangat hakan ni ke huri hura kajing thokit kelazang yat banwat ye ki kenarit ki bala ban Mynsaw hakan ni ke jingle jangki pulit menta ka sengi
yang ngan Shillong tang tu wei ma ngam akadia ka pol ngam la ban ong AA mangi wan humia tang ban assess the situation but also to make sure that there's no violation of child rights. That's all that I have to say. Only when we ilayu all of the jingkran barok Peit that jing Peit barok Peit then only ni la commission. We're so sorry but kita Khynnah itu pemanim la ban ong tapi we just are here tang kita kat tu kan ni ban la de khot yaki Khynnah but we are partner but kita ni bikin dia passion.
But what do you have to say on the police decision
No,
to resort to tear gas?
I'm sorry. Yeah, kita, that's not. I'm not in a position to say anything right now. As I said, she wants to assess the situation and also to make sure that no child is hurt or their rights are not there. Both from both sides. We're here only for the well-being of the children.
So any injured children?
That we'll have to find out. No? Right at the moment, we'll have to find out. Also, you're doing a good job. You're all doing a good job. So I'm sure that you've already followed what you have to.
No, don't na pedang gini Khynnah ki bala Mynsaw kong.
Kata ta ka Shillong happy ba kinte kan mangi bangin yo ka lita. Okay. Right at the moment, as I said, I cannot see more than that. But if I'm bangin you, make sure bakin long the well-being junkie, the mental state, the junkie come suffer, and we've already taken the contact junkie. Needs a follow up with it.
But Prince bagi pulit
badan
ki Khynnah they ban exercise ka restrain
kan dia ask some questions. I'm telling you. But our thing stand over here is only for children. We're concerned about the mental health, about the well-being junkie children, and so ni lah. Ada shim lupa, yaki phone numbers, junkie kene, but junkie, and we'll follow up. Thank you. That also will think because kat pemidang yo i, don't go on Thank you very much.